Welcome back to Primal Health. In this video, we will dive into the hidden dangers of eating eggs the wrong way. Eggs have long been celebrated as one of nature's most complete and nutritious foods. Rich in high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and healthy fats, eggs have earned their place in the diets of health-conscious individuals around the world. But did you know that eating eggs the wrong way could actually harm your health, especially if you're over 60? While many people assume that simply including eggs in their daily meals is a step toward better health, certain common mistakes in how eggs are prepared and consumed can quietly turn this nutritional powerhouse into a hidden threat. These mistakes can impact everything from heart health and circulation to muscle strength and energy, key areas of concern for aging adults. In this video, we'll explore 4 of the biggest mistakes people make when eating eggs, how these habits can compromise long-term wellness, and most importantly, how small changes in cooking and food choices can transform eggs back into the health-boosting staple they were meant to be. Be sure and stay until the end, where you will learn the 5 most important things you're missing out on when skipping the yolks. The first mistake is overcooking your eggs. It might seem harmless or even smart to cook eggs until they're completely firm. After all, isn't it safer to make sure they're thoroughly cooked? However, for older adults, this common habit can actually strip away the very nutrients that make eggs so valuable. Overcooking eggs, whether it's boiling them too long, frying them until crispy, or scrambling them into a rubbery mess, degrades sensitive nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin D, and several B vitamins. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining energy, protecting bones, and keeping muscles strong, 3 essentials for staying mobile and independent with age. Worse still, when the yolk is overcooked, the natural cholesterol inside begins to oxidize. Oxidized cholesterol has been linked to increased inflammation in blood vessels, raising the risk of heart disease, stroke, and poor circulation. That's especially dangerous for seniors who are already more vulnerable to cardiovascular issues. The key is to cook eggs gently. Soft-boiled, poached, or lightly scrambled eggs at low to medium heat preserve nutrients while minimizing harmful oxidation. If you hard-boil eggs, aim for a cooking time of 9 to 10 minutes, just enough to fully cook them without turning the yolk greenish or rubbery. And don't let your eggs sit in a hot pan after cooking. Remove them right away to prevent continued heat exposure. The second mistake is using unhealthy oils to fry eggs. Frying eggs may be a quick and delicious way to start the day, but the type of oil used during cooking can make a massive difference to your health. Many people, especially those trying to cook on a budget or follow outdated cooking advice, use oils like soybean, corn, or canola to fry their eggs. Unfortunately, these oils are high in unstable omega-6 fatty acids, which easily oxidize under heat. When these oils break down, they release harmful compounds that trigger chronic inflammation throughout the body. This inflammation doesn't just make you feel stiff or tired, it also silently damages blood vessels, stiffens arteries, and weakens muscle tissue. Over time, this can slow down muscle recovery, reduce circulation to the legs, and increase the risk of heart disease. Some processed seed oils may even contain trace amounts of trans fats, despite labels claiming 0 grams. Trans fats are known to increase LDL, bad cholesterol, reduce HDL, good cholesterol, and severely raise the risk of heart problems. The good news is that you don't have to give up fried eggs altogether. Just choose healthier cooking fats. Stable fats like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, ghee, and butter can withstand heat without breaking down. They also contain beneficial compounds that support heart and joint health. For the cleanest option, consider poaching or soft boiling your eggs. These methods require no added fat, and they help preserve the full spectrum of nutrients in the egg. The third mistake is skipping the yolk. For decades, egg yolks were demonized for their cholesterol content, leading many health-conscious individuals, especially seniors, to eat only egg whites. Unfortunately, this well-intentioned move is actually one of the biggest mistakes you can make if you're aiming to support healthy aging. The yolk is where the majority of an egg's nutrients are concentrated. It contains essential vitamins and minerals that support everything from muscle strength and brain function to immune defense and hormone balance. These are the 5 things you're missing out on when you skip the yolk. Vitamin D, crucial for strong bones and a robust immune system. Choline, supports memory, nerve signaling, and cognitive function. Vitamin B12, vital for energy and healthy red blood cell production. Lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from age-related degeneration. Healthy fats, needed for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins and maintaining hormonal health. Importantly, recent research shows that for most people, eating egg yolks does not increase blood cholesterol levels. In fact, whole eggs can improve cholesterol balance by increasing HDL, the good cholesterol that helps remove LDL from the bloodstream. Eat the whole egg! By including the yolk, you're fueling your body with one of nature's best multivitamins. This simple choice can improve balance, preserve muscle mass, and keep your mind sharp without reaching for a supplement bottle. The 4th mistake is relying on processed egg products. When life gets busy, convenience can become a priority. But while liquid egg whites, frozen egg patties, and fast food egg sandwiches might save a few minutes, they can quietly compromise your health, especially as you age. Processed egg products often contain additives, preservatives, artificial flavorings, and sodium, all of which can have negative effects on your body over time. Sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate, for example, are commonly added to prolong shelf life, but may irritate the digestive system and promote inflammation when consumed frequently. In addition, many processed egg options remove the yolk entirely or alter the fat content, stripping the egg of its natural nutrient balance. These products often lack the vitamins and minerals needed for muscle maintenance, joint support, and brain health. Processed eggs also tend to be paired with other high-sodium, high-fat items, like processed cheese, greasy bacon, or white bread, further increasing the risk of heart disease and blood pressure issues. Choose real, whole eggs whenever possible. If you need something quick, boil a dozen eggs at home and keep them in the fridge for grab-and-go snacks. Scrambled, poached, or oven-baked eggs made fresh at home ensure you're getting the full benefit, without the chemical additives or excessive sodium. If you must buy ready-to-use eggs, look for brands labeled 100% egg, with no added ingredients. Fewer ingredients usually mean a cleaner, healthier option. Our final thoughts. It's not the egg, it's how you eat. Eggs remain one of the most nutrient-dense, affordable, and versatile foods available, especially for seniors who want to maintain strength, clarity, and vitality as they age. But it's not just about eating eggs. It's about how you prepare, cook, and enjoy them. Avoiding simple mistakes like overcooking, using the wrong oils, skipping the yolk, or relying on processed alternatives can unlock the full potential of this incredible food. With just a few small adjustments, you can protect your heart, boost your energy, support brain health, and stay strong well into your golden years. Remember to cook eggs gently to preserve nutrients. Always choose healthy fats like olive oil or butter. Embrace the yolk. This is where the real nutrition lives. Always stick with whole, unprocessed eggs for the best benefits. By being mindful of these small changes, you can transform eggs from a health hazard back into a healing food that supports your mobility, heart, and overall well-being. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Check out our next video right here.